my sweet friend, welcome to my channel and another new idea. Today I'm going to show you how did I make these random creatures without the pattern, without any etude or plan. I made them accidentally and that's what is making my moments joyful. Plus they are from recycling paper. My name is Alale and I'm really happy to have you here. If you like this idea, you can subscribe my channel for more and more. So find some extra useless paper and grab your stuff. Join me today to create something crazy together. So here is my useless paper. I had a project before and these are the extra part of it. To be honest, I didn't want to throw them out, so I start making handcraft with them. For beginning with my scissor, I'm cutting them in very curly shape. It could be anything. Actually, I only remove the extra or very sharp edge. I'm cutting a few papers in different shapes. Don't think about the final result. Just enjoy cutting and make so many random size and shape papers without any plan. So after that, we need a flat surface. It can be a tray, flat plate, or like me, you can use a paper palette. I'm using a paper palette because after that, I can use the colors and the patterns on it as another collage. And also I didn't waste so many waters to wash the colors out. But it's completely up to you. Grab two different ink colors and add a few drops on your paper shapes. With this technique, we don't need any brush or water. With another paper shape, try to flatten the color on the first one and do the same mixing colors with all the other paper shapes. As you see, I added two more colors because I love to have colorful creatures. You can use more or fewer colors, and it's all about your mood. Now I dried them all and they are ready for collage. What do you think about the first creature? I bring some yarn to complete my art and pick one of the colored papers. This one absolutely looks like a bird, so I don't think more and want to complete my bird now. I just needed a wing, so I can use this smaller paper for that purpose. Look how easy is this job. Then I glue the wing to my bird body. You don't need to make a bird exactly like mine. Just listen to the papers, they will tell you who they are. Then let's make a cute glue tail for the bird. I'm cutting the yarns into few pieces and glue them to the tail part of the paper bird. Oh, I can glue them randomly or even with a clear pattern, whatever you want. I'm sure if you listen to your creative part of your brain, will be surprised how beautiful is your mind. Just cut the extra part of tail and I will add some details with my black marker, such as eyes and a cool feather pattern for the wing. If the wing is not bold enough, you can draw a thin line around it so it would be separate from the whole body. And here it is, the blue tail bird. Isn't it cute? You can make so many of them, stick them to the wall or even hanging them from the ceiling of your room. They can be very cute for decoration, flying around your head every day. Alright, For making the two other creatures, I am showing it in fast motion mode. Just remember to trust your mind and be brave to make something new. Thanks for watching my video. I would be glad to subscribe my channel and I really need your support with your likes and comments. Love you all and see you soon.